Okay guys, so here we are for question number 5. Okay, so for question number 5, we want to find the largest angle. Okay, so we will use, there's two ways you can use this. Okay, sorry, there's only one way. Okay, but I just want to recall something here. Okay, in trigonometry we learn two things. One is sine rule. Okay, sine rule, what do you need? You need a length and you need a angle. Okay, and then for cosine rule, you need a, actually you have all three length you can use. Okay, so in our problem here, question number 5, you notice we only have three length, we don't have any angle. Okay, so if we have any one of the angle, it can actually help us to do sine rule, but now we don't have any angle, so we have to use cosine rule. Okay, so a little recap, cosine rule is c square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Okay, some of you might learn starting with a, up to you. Okay, but you need to take note, if you want to find the largest angle here, because your angle will be given by cosine function, you need to make sure that your value that you substitute here has to be the largest. Okay, so if you notice, the largest will be 9, so I will put c, my 9 as c, a and b key, either one. Okay, doesn't matter. So 9 square equals to 8 square plus 2 square minus 2, 8 and then 2 and then cos c. Okay, so we are searching for cos c, so shift over 9 square minus 8 square minus 2 square, okay, divided by negative 2. This part I'm not going to cover because it should be in fingertips ready by now. Okay, so you're doing all this calculation, so and forth, 9 square minus 8 square minus so and forth. Okay, eventually it will lead you to cos c equals to negative 13 over 32. Okay, so you shift cos here, you will get 113.96. that's your angle. Okay, you have to take to 3 significant figure, then you get your answer for there. Okay, of course you can see the marking scheme lamp. The marking scheme has a detailed explanation also. Okay, I think the video cover most of it already. Okay, I do fast because it's a 1 minute question. How long do you expect to drag? Okay, for this one, there's a pentagon. Okay, question 6. They have a 4-side pentagon. Okay, so I just draw not to scale up, so don't complain that this and that all. Please lah, guys, have some mercy on me. Okay, I know a lot of you make memes of me already by now. Okay, so moving forward, we have this shape here, and they want you to find the angle that is missing, which is the 5th angle. So that means first you need to know the total angle in a pentagon. What's the total angle of a pentagon? So remember, we learned this formula to find total angle, okay, in any shape. This is the formula, n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so n represent number of sides. How many sides we have here? 1 2 3 4 5. So that means 3 times 180. Okay, that will give you 540. Okay, so now we got 540 ready. So we know the total angle in this will be 540. So pretty much to find this missing one, okay, it will be minus all of the remaining lah. Okay, you minus all the remaining, and then you will get directly 118. Okay, that's all. Sorry, 118. Okay, so done. Okay, I'm doing this questions all with imagination that I'm doing the exam. That's why it's fast and my writing is everywhere. Okay, now for this one, question 7. Okay, question 7 is a vector. Okay, I don't know how those 11 1 2 3 learn. Okay, but for 11 4 I taught this way. Okay, so you might want to learn also. Okay, up to you. Okay, doesn't matter, no method is wrong, it's up to you. Okay, so let me just get another color for this. Okay, so they say this is P and then this is R, and then this one they didn't say, and they said they ask you to find vector of PQ. Okay, they want you to find vector of PQ. So how do you actually find for vector PQ? Wait, I'm finding for a good marker. Okay, I found. Okay, so you want to find vector of PQ. Okay, sorry, I need to label here. Okay, O P Q, and then we have R here. Okay, in the question, if you see there's a statement already written there, they write there a statement. Okay, one important statement, RQ is equals to 2OP. So OP is P, means RQ should be P lah. Okay, so we want to find PQ. Okay, so to find PQ, remember I told you, you just have to add everything. Okay, so basically R plus P, that means you need to find one flow, one oppose the flow. So this one is going in this direction, right? So what we do, we reverse it. Okay, when you reverse it, this one will become, instead of plus, become negative. That's it. Okay, because you reverse the direction. So now all in one direction, you can just add them, negative P plus R plus P. Okay, plus 2P, sorry. So negative P plus R, negative P plus R plus 2P. So that will give you directly P plus R. That's your answer for question number 7. Okay, so you see it's quite straightforward. You don't have to go long-winded, you know, go find this thing, or I don't think it's necessary. Okay, you have to be sharp. 1 minute. Okay, only 1 minute you will take the paper, nothing more than that. Okay, so this one. Okay, for this question, there's a question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, there's a pie chart there. Okay, so the pie chart is something like this. Okay, I'll just draw the best that I can. Okay, this is 150 for Malaysia. Let's see whether it helps us or not. Okay, so they are saying a travel brochure has 72 holidays in 4 different countries. So total here is 72 holidays. Okay, that means when you add all of these numbers, it should give you 72 holidays. So they say there are 24 holidays, 24 holiday alone in Thailand. Okay, so that means this is Thailand. They want to find the angle there. It's very easy. You take 24 divided by the total times 360. Okay, so it will directly give you 120. Done. Okay, that's question number 8. And then question number 9. Okay, so for question number 9, I need some time because I need to draw it. Okay, okay. Do you know what kind of what we call this, the alternate theory segment? Okay, actually, if you ask me, I don't like this maths term all. Okay, I more prefer just to know what is it talking about. Okay, and try to relate it. Okay, so this is 34. Okay, this is 41. Okay, this is 34, and technically they want you to find the sines of angle of PQS. Okay, that means I want this angle up here. Okay, so how do we find that angle up there? Okay, we call this the butterfly technique. Okay, butterfly means it look like a butterfly, right? So whatever angle here should be here, whatever angle here should be here. So with that, you know lah, the answer is 41. That's it. Okay, because they want this angle here. Remember, you can see from your picture they want P is here, P, Q, and then your S is here. Okay, so I want to find PQ as this angle. Okay, so like I said, butterfly technique, whatever angle here should be here, whatever angle here should be here. So this is 41, this is 41, clear cut. Okay, question 9, problem solved. Next, moving forward, question 10. Okay, so for question 10, they say there's a list of number here. Okay, so 12, 19, 12, 15, 11, 15, 12, 13 and 17. Okay, so there's few numbers and they want you to find a median. Like I thought, I mean Miss Miresa also already taught you already. You have to rearrange them from a increasing order. So I will arrange first. So the lowest number we have here is 11. So I will cut. Then we have 12. I cut. Then we have 12. I cut. Then we have another 12. I cut. Then we have 13, I cut, then I have 15, I cut, then I have 17. Okay, you cut to make sure that you already list down everything there. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think I missed something already there. Okay, yeah, I should have 15 here and I should have 19 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So when you have an odd number, it's very easy to find a median, because you know you close here 4, you close here 4, boom, that's your median. Your median is 13. Okay, done. Just rearrange them. So that's question number 10. Okay, now moving forward, question 11. So for question 11, they want you to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so this one you should check in your textbook. Okay, curved area means, okay, this is a cylinder. When I cut the cylinder like this, okay, imagine this is a cylinder. I couldn't find any example. Let me maybe just get one piece of A4 paper that I can show you. Okay, so what I need you to do, okay, sorry, my camera moved a bit already. So imagine this is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. So when I cut this cylinder, you see, this is a cylinder, right? When I cut this cylinder, this curved surface area will become like this. So they want to find this curved surface area. Okay, so the method, there's a formula to find the curved surface area. I will just write down here the formula, which is 2 pi RH. How you get this formula, I will cover that. I mean, you should learn already in measuration. Okay, so I don't waste time there. 1 minute, we just want to finish it in 1 minute. Okay, so the question already given to you that the diameter is 12, and then they give you the height is 30 cm. Okay, diameter is 12, 30 cm. So they want 2 pi RH. H is 30, good, but 12 is diameter, so you gotta convert it to the radius. Okay, so you just put everything inside and boom, you'll see the magic there. Okay, so that's question 11, how you find. Okay, remember this formula 2 pi RH is formula for the curved surface area. It does not include the circular surface area on top and the bottom. It only include the curved surface area, like I show you on the piece of paper just now. Okay, So moving forward, question 12. Okay, question 12 is one very easy question. Okay, they give you some shape like this. Okay, then they draw like this. Okay, and then they draw this, and then they draw this, and then they draw this, and then they draw this. Okay, so hopefully it resembles lah. So we have 58 here. Okay, we have 58 here. So they asking you calculate the size of angle of AOC. OC. So I want to find this angle here. Okay, this is 58. We have learned this lah. Okay, whatever angle here, it should times become here. Okay, they want angle of AOC. They didn't mention anything detailed there because some of the students might think angle AOC, are we talking at this level or are we talking at this level? But if we're talking at that level, it should be, they will mention maybe something else. Okay, but AOC, basically we are looking for the twice, so we know it's twice. So all you have to do is just 2 times 58. Okay, that will give you 116 degree. Okay, there's a rules there has been covered before. Okay, whatever angle subtended at the center here, it will be twice from the edge here. Okay, I repeat again, but you must make sure this line touching all this line, that is this 4 line connected, must touch the circle and the center of the circle. If it does not touch the center, then you cannot assume like this. Okay, it has to touch the center. Okay, so then you just times 2, then there you go, you get the answer there. Okay, so pretty much that's question number 12. And then moving forward, we have question number 13. So for question number 13, it's a bit long. Okay, so maybe I think I need to get, okay, never mind lah. Okay, so if you notice, they give you a what we call that, what do we call this as, guys? What do we call this? We call this histogram, not bar chart. You know why we call this specifically histogram, right? Because they are continuity. Okay, they don't have a gap in between them. So if they have gap, that means these are bar, what we call it, bar chart. Okay, so now for this one, they say there are blah 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 blah. They say 10 children between the height of 130 to 135. So here is 130, here is 135. Okay, so they say here got 10 children. So they want you to find how many children between 1110 to 1130. So 1110 to 130 is here. So I want to find up to here. Okay, but our bar chart, they tell you that here is on 10 children, but we don't have the rest, so we want to find the rest. Okay, so this one, if you notice, you as I draw, and you also can see in the question, the bar chart is not same. Okay, when not same, we are talking about unequal width, so we're talking about frequency density really. So you need to go back to find what's the frequency density of this, then you can rework back on your graph. Okay, so I'll just write FD. To find the FD, okay, basically frequency of class interval. Okay, your class interval at this point of time, okay, is 10. Okay, how do I know it's 10? Okay, because there's total 10 children lah, so that means the frequency is 10. Okay, and then width of the class interval, the width here is 5. Okay, so 5. So you know that frequency density is 2. So that means at this point here, we know it's 2. Okay, then we can rework from the graph lah. Okay, from the graph we can come up with a scale. So when you rework from the graph, you'll notice this has to be 1, this has to be 2, and then this should be 3, and then 4. You just rework the scale. Okay, if you notice, this will be 2 just nicely at here. Okay, so then you rework, and then if you want to find the total children, okay, you just have to use the, you just have to find the height lah, utilize the height method. Okay, so for this, the class is 10, so 10 times 1, 10 plus for this, what's the class size? Okay, the class size is 5, so 5 times it's 2 here. Okay, and then what we can do there is 5 times, let me see, 5 times 3. Okay, it's 5 times 3 here. Okay, so when you sum all of them, okay, you will get 35 directly. Okay, this is how you find. Okay, so your frequency density has to be strong enough, otherwise you will blur in this question. Okay, so we'll move forward. So for question number 14, question number 14 is just translation. Okay, how do we know translation? Okay, you see the triangle was here. Okay, and then the triangle go here. Okay, from here you go here. So basically what happened, I just take this example. This thing I just stick and I move here. Okay, I move like this and then I move up. You see, I didn't change the orientation, I didn't become big or small, I just stick like this and then I move up. So it's definitely translation. Okay, nothing much tricky there. Okay, that's question 14. And then for question number 15, okay, let's look at question number 15. Okay, so for question number 15, they ask you work out the size of the exterior angle. Okay, what's the formula to calculate the exterior angle? Okay, so for formula to find exterior angle is 360 divided by n. N stands for the number of sides, so we have number of sides here 15, so 360 divided by 15, that will give you 24. Okay, done. That's question 15. And then for question number 16, okay, I'll draw the 3 circles first. Okay, sorry, it's not in the proper order, huh? Just mind me. Okay, I mean, don't mind me, sorry. Yep, so they have one here, they have one here, they have one here, they have one here. So I ask you, oh, what's the line of symmetry for this? Okay, so you want to find a line of symmetry for this. Okay, how do? We need to know what way we can cut them. Okay, so one you can cut in the center, one you can cut here. Okay, so I'll just draw, you can cut here, you can cut here. Another one, this 4 itself already, I actually tell you how we can do. 1 2 3 4, finish. Okay, so there are a total of 4 line of symmetry for this. Okay, done. That's question number 16 for you. Okay, so for question number 17, it's a scatter diagram. Okay, let's see how do we do this question, scatter diagram. Okay, so this question, I think you remember when we do scatter diagram, we have to draw baseline feet. Okay, so for this question, because okay, I just simply scatter the point everywhere. Huh? I just scatter the point. It should look something like this lah. Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, so of course you'll be thinking, they was telling you that in 1996, okay, my house value was 70,000. So you know 70,000 lies somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, on your graph. So they ask you what's the value in 2016. So 2016, you need to look here. So basically, you know what you need to do. You need to, like go here and then read the value. So there is no need for you to draw baseline feet. The reason why, if you see in the marking scheme, or you put when you plot, it will exactly touch one point. And then you go here, you can read directly the value. So that's one advantage you have. So if you will be asking, how in exam do you determine whether you draw baseline feet or not? Of course, you first see what the value asking. Like for this, they say 70,000, right? So we go to 70 and we just dot the line. If we dot, we see, hey, it touch a point. The moment you don't touch a point, that's the cue that you need to do baseline feet. You understand me? Okay, I repeat again. When the question says 70, you go to 70, you dot the line first. You see whether it's touching any point or not. If touch one point, it's fine. You can directly get. But if not touching any point, that's the point where you need to draw your baseline fit to get the estimated value. So normally when we draw baseline fit, you know what happened, right? When you draw baseline fit, we have range of answer because it's not certain already. Okay. So from here you read, they show you the value here. I think it's 140,000. Okay. So that's question 17. Moving forward for question number 18. Question 18 is one bonus question because it's a triangle isosceles. Triangle isosceles means what? Okay, what is isosceles triangle? Two angle is same, one angle different. So they give you the different already lah. So 96. Okay, so total angle in a triangle should be 180. So 180 minus 96 divided by 2. Some of you will be asking me, so why not the 96 isosceles? 96 times 2 exceeded 180 already. So 96 cannot be the isosceles. The remaining should be the isosceles. Okay, so you will get each angle is 42. Okay, question 18 done. Okay.